So guys, today is the Black Friday. Today is 16th November. You all know what 16th November is. It's the Black Friday. So I'm on this app right now. I'm on my mobile app right now. I want to buy the iPhone 11 that's gonna go for 3,000 naira. So I was wondering how this thing is gonna be possible. So I just want to verify if Jumia is actually telling us the truth. Forget about the whole hunting stuff. I want to see the cutoff they were telling us about 90% off, 80% off. Let me just verify all those things now. I have my money standby. I'm ready to buy something on Jumia app. Right, let me check my cart. I have something on my cart right now. Okay, let's just see. I don't know. Oh, I remember. I got my pink leaves cream balm in 2 days, permanent pink leaves. I want to have a pink leaves. If you all watch my video, you know I'm very dark and my lips is not kind of showing very well. So I want to start applying pink leaves to know if it will actually turn pink. It's going for 950 naira. That's a little money. So I'm going to grab it. But this is not what I'm looking for. What I'm looking for is my iPhone 11. If you all check the time, I only have 10 minutes to do that. Let me go. Treasure hunt. No, today is not for treasure hunt. Browser, no, not for today. Free delivery. Yeah. Oh, it's not. What the heck? This is not what I'm looking for. I'm here for something. I'm not seeing it. They're showing me wristwatches. I'm not. What happened to iPhone? It said big phones. I'm not looking for big phones. I need iPhone. Well, guys, as you can see, they're not showing me iPhone. I have my 3,000 naira and I want to buy iPhone. Xiaomi, cell phone, Samsung, N3k, Nokia. Where is iPhone? Where is iPhone? Below 40,000, 80,000 and above. Oh, I can see iPhone here. Oh, I'm seeing 80k and above, bro. Hey guys, this is Jumia Friday. I don't know. I don't know what's happening. They said it's gonna go for 3,000. I'm not even seeing it among the list here, bro. Have we been scammed? I'm seeing 200 and something thousand naira for phone here, Samsung. I'm only seeing Samsung here. Where is the iPhone? Okay, I saw iPhone XR 3 gig RAM, 128 gig RAM, 270,000. They must be joking, bro. All right. As you can see, Jumia is kind of, I don't know if they're scamming us right here. They just want to, that's why I said in my video that they just want you to be in the site. Just be strolling. Maybe you can see something you're going to buy. All this, the whole Jumia Friday, whatever, is just, let me not call it scam totally, but it's just to make more sales. Do you get that? They're just trying to make more sales by you coming into the app, then trying to find other products that you're going to buy. Maybe you can just buy something. Wait, all these things they're using to deceive us, minus 23%, minus 20%. All these things are just, I don't know. They're just there for being sake. They're not really offering you. They're not really offering you iPhone 11 for 3,000 now. What the heck? They're not doing that, bro. They're not doing that. They might do it after they have maybe made like 10 million naira in gains. Like they'll just drop it for 500 naira or even 3,000. Those guys are just, this is just business strategy. I've been telling them, okay, let me just search for that iPhone 11. Let's see the actual price is gonna go for iPhone 11. Let me not go for Pro. Let me just go for 11. Let's just see. Wow, 2,100. Oh shit! I got carried away when I saw this 2,100. Oh, see 3,000 here. I have an 11 Pro Max transparent case. Wait, was it actually the case that we were talking about, or the phone itself? I think they're talking about the phone itself. So why are they showing me the case? I need iPhone 11, not the case. Why is Jimmy doing me this way? Wait, the charger is even going for 9,500, and I was told it's gonna go for 3,000. Oh my god. Where is? Oh, there we go. Get the almighty iPhone 11 protective case. Get the almighty iPhone 11 going for 335,000 naira on Jumia Friday. Are you kidding me right now? Man, this one is mad. 6 gig. Okay, 64 gig RAM. Just 4 gig RAM. Man, this one is crazy, bro. Damn. This one is mad. But this is not what I'm looking for, bro. I don't have 300 or something thousand to give you guys. What I have is 3,000. What I have is 3,000, and that's what I'm ready to offer right now. So I did advice. What am I gonna do right now? They said that for live now is live. They said it's live, and if I click on it, I can see my iPhone 11 for 3,000 there. Well, guys, I don't know. If you're watching this, I'm just doing this video to verify if Jumia was actually telling us the truth. I'm just trying to. Oh, look at it! I just saw it. I just saw it. Just wait. Wait a minute. Look at it. 3,400. You see? I wasn't lying. I was telling you guys the truth. They said it was gonna go for. Look at it. Look at it. Fashion. I just hope I'm on the right track, bro. Oh my gosh. They don't want to do this to me. They don't want to do this to me. They don't want to do this to me. I just saw it, bro. I'm very sure. I said it's in fashion. Or did I click? What happened right now? Don't pick for me. Don't pick for me now. I don't need you to pick. I wish I would say this when I go back. Damn. Couldn't find it again. Couldn't find it again. You are. Damn, what just happened right now? I believe you all saw that thing. I just saw iPhone 11 going for 3,400 naira. I clicked on it. They showed me fashion. I clicked on fashion. I couldn't see my iPhone again. Oh my god. I just wish I would see this again. My network is just crazy. What happened? Did they kick me out? High five finish more. Oh my god. Oh my god. Jumia Friday is about to end for today, man. And the pictures are no longer loading. I don't know. When I tried this earlier on, the pictures were not loading again. They were showing me all these cards. I don't know anything. Okay, there we go. Man, guys, I'm outside right now. I just have to go outside to do this. To have a very good network, you know. Just switch out see this again, bro. I think this was yeah, this is it. This is it. Please. I'm sure this is it. This is it. This is it, bro. Oh, damn. Okay, 1 unit. So what are they saying right now? Search for fashion? No, I don't need fashion. I need iPhone 11. Please, I need iPhone 11. I need iPhone 11. Oh gosh. I don't need this. I'm not a fashion nova, bro. I'm not a fashion nova. I don't need fashion. You know I don't need fashion, bro. What I need is iPhone 11. Fashion will come after I might have monetized my channel. Currently, I'm not monetized, so no money for fashion for now, bro. Got shoes going for 4,900. This is crazy, man. My iPhone 11 is what I'm looking for. Let me just fasten up, bro. I have 3 minutes more. To get my iPhone 11. I just price see this 1 unit. See, guys, I'm not the only one online. There are thousands of people online, if not millions of people online now checking for this iPhone 11. I believe I'll be the first person to find it. Though I'm late. People have been there over 1 hour ago doing this. But Grace can still, you know, Grace is Grace. I believe in Grace, bro. I'm not even seeing anything. If the pictures are seeing, if the pictures are showing now, it will be more easy. I think this is the reason why they refuse to show me the pictures. They don't want me to recognize it by the picture. They just want me to see the price or read it out. Before I will read it out, another person might have read it and strode, and they just want to waste my time. They just want me to be on this app. I don't know if they're getting anything from my AB or what. I don't just know. But I click out. Oh, this one is showing. I don't need any shoe, bro. I have slippers. Oh, I love this necklace, this shirt. I'm only iPhone 11. Damn, see crazy items. You see the reason why I told you. They just want you to be on the app so that you get carried away by all these items that are showing me. Then I will love it. I love it actually, but I know what I'm looking for one day. Damn, what is this? Tummy control. Damn, the picture is smart. Man, what is this? Okay. They said it's treasure hunt. By the time I'm done doing those, damn, what's this? Okay. See, by the time I'm done doing all these things, my data might have run down, bro. Damn, see this shoe. I beg you. They just want to waste my data. Could you imagine? I'm not seeing my iPhone 11. Had it been my network is very fast and my phone as well is very fast, I would just be swiping, strolling. But once Grace is there, I'll have a minute more. I might close down this page. I don't know. I might close it down. I don't really know what's gonna happen right now. Oh my gosh. Man, this treasure hunt is crazy. Can't find my iPhone. I'm getting tired. Had it been the pictures are showing right now, it would have been better. But I don't know why they blocked the pictures. They only showed pictures of some items and that was it. I don't even know why I'm doing this. Actually, I actually want to verify if that telling us the truth. That's just it. Oh my gosh, sisters. Man, these Jumia people, they can they can finish your account in just a matter of seconds, bro. Just imagine adding all these things to my card, bro. I won't even buy up to 20 items. My account will run dry, bro, because the prices I'm seeing here is way out of budget. It's already 1 o'clock, so I believe the stuff is up. It's up already. So there's no need swiping down and up. The whole thing is done. They have withdrawn it, I believe. They have withdrawn it already. Okay, let's just continue till a minute or so on, then we know what's gonna happen. Oh shit. Oh, it's already a minute or so on, so no need. No need. No need, no need, no need. No need. We failed. We failed. This experiment just failed. I don't know. See guys, as you saw, I was trying my very best to locate iPhone 11. I couldn't find it. When I saw it, actually, they said it was in the fashion category. I tried my possible best, as you guys saw in the video. I couldn't find iPhone 11. So what really happened? What really happened? I don't know. Maybe, probably it was for hunt. So I couldn't hunt it down. I'm not a hunter, but really, this is just strategy. This is business strategy. They're telling us that this phone is going for 39,000. They subtracted 51% of the initial price. Hell lie, bro. Hell lie. Just imagine, think about it. Think about it. It implies that this phone is going for 80,000 plus, and they had to sell it 39,000 plus just because of the Black Friday. Hell lie. This is strategy. This phone cannot go. It's actually 4 gig RAM with 64 gig RAM. This phone cannot be going for 80,000. This is a new product. I mean, the company N3k, I've not heard of it before. I've only seen it on Jumia. This is actually a new company, so they can't just hike the price just like that. People are not gonna buy it. This is actually the real price for this Jumia. Even before the Black Friday, it was going for 40 something thousand. Now it's 39, and they're telling us they're subtracting 51%. See, guys, all these things are just strategy. But if you have your money to pump into Jumia and buy stuff, well, it's good. It's good. But if you guys stick around in this channel, with time I'm gonna be doing some drop shipping and mini importation videos, how you can actually buy all these things. I will review the main site that Jumias are buying their products from. Trust me, I'm not lying. I've been doing it. Mini importation. It works really well in Nigeria, and trust me, if you guys stick around, I'm gonna be doing it. You guys are gonna learn how to buy all these things in bulk as cheap as very cheap, cheaper than what Jumia is selling. So it's up to you to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and always turn up on my post. I'm gonna be dropping crazy content from now henceforth. With that being said, I think I'm gonna end this experiment because Jimmy is not telling me what I need to know. They're not showing me what I need to see. And my time, the countdown is already up. I actually need a laptop. I don't have a laptop, bro. Work and school from home. Let me know if I'll at least see a laptop. I don't mean if I'll buy. I mean, let me just see a laptop and the price is going for. I can actually. Let me go for laptops and desktops. Look at the way they designed it. Work from home and blah blah blah. Boom. What am I seeing? What is my eye? Sorry. Then I'm seeing one. There is no system that is below 100,000 and they're saying it's for school. How can a student afford this kind of system? 550,000. Man, this is way out of budget. This is way out of budget. I think I'm gonna end this video here. Please, if you enjoy this kind of video, make sure you like, subscribe. Please turn on your post notification. Anytime I post my videos, you guys are gonna get notification. Damn, what just happened right now? Oh, okay. I told you guys I'm outside. You guys are not seeing what I'm saying. Turn on your post notifications so they get notified whenever I post my video. With that being said, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. See you guys. Bye.